Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Holden LaCroix.
Main storm system is pulling off to the east, but behind it is some very cold air in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that's producing those scattered showers that we've seen earlier this evening, and it's continuing at the hour right now. In fact, we have a few isolated thunderstorms up towards Scio and making their way up into portions of the Cascades. Speaking of which, snow showers continuing across areas like Willamette Pass, Santiam Pass at the moment, but I would say it's mainly wet and slushy roads at the moment. We're going to have to watch this closely overnight tonight because many of these passes, including Santiam, is expected to get down to around 12 degrees tomorrow morning. So if you're traveling tomorrow, try to wait as late as possible. If you're headed out tonight, just prepare for kind of some reduced visibility at times. It's not a persistent snow. It's more of a scattered snow event up into the Cascades, and that will reduce visibility at times. Now, all in all, you can see the scattered activity across the region. We kind of had the afternoon heating. It wasn't much, but it was enough to kind of lift that residual moisture from the rain this morning, and that's producing the cumulus clouds and the scattered showers across the region right now. You can in fact see it across the Portland Metro, down across the Cascades as well. Here's this little thunderstorm that's making its way through Scio and up across the passes. It's actually transitioning from rain up to snow for those up across Santiam Pass. So plan ahead over the next 24 hours. Here's the cold air coming right down from Canada over top of that relatively warm surface. So again, producing the scattered showers for now. Eventually that moisture runs out, but we are kind of left with the residual moisture down at the surface, and that's going to produce the fog as we wake up tomorrow morning with some very cold temperatures. Check this out. We're going to be dropping to around 31 degrees along I-5, and I would expect some locations to actually get in the 20s if you're headed out toward the east side. Willamette Pass, Santiam Pass, dropping into the teens overnight tonight, and of course down toward Klamath County and into the Great Basin, much colder temperatures tomorrow morning. But as we head toward the afternoon, we actually warm things up a little bit. It's still going to be cold though. Notice these are high temperatures tomorrow afternoon, about 43 degrees for Corvallis, and that does come with a mix of sun and clouds. I would expect a little bit more sunshine tomorrow afternoon compared to today. As we wake up tomorrow morning, here comes the fog. As we kind of head toward the afternoon, we replace the fog with some scattered suns and clouds through the course of the afternoon. Temperatures, again, very cold in the low 40s. Here's Christmas Eve, scattered showers across the region, not a washout. As we head toward Christmas Day, though, we are expecting a stronger cold front to move in across the region. Not a widespread rain event, but we are expecting some persistent showers on Christmas Day. And check that out, snow possibility down toward areas of Klamath Falls if you're headed out that way. Here's the storm system getting absorbed into the overall flow. That low pressure actually produced the flooding rains down towards Southern California. As we head toward Christmas Day, we're going to battle it out between this high pressure and low pressure system. But again, mainly just scattered showers. But as we head toward New Year's Eve, we are tracking a much colder and stronger air mass. And stay tuned for details with that because it does look like snow levels will eventually drop as we head toward the new year. 49 degrees for the Oregon coast tomorrow. Showers likely again Monday around 56 degrees. For areas of the Umpqua Basin, Christmas Day around 52 degrees, so warmer on Christmas Day than what we're seeing tomorrow afternoon. Up across the passes, rain snow mix, Renee. We're talking about possibility of some snow accumulations for Christmas Day and into next week, but it shouldn't cause too much of an issue across the passes if you're driving to go see Grandma. And across the Willamette Valley, we're expecting about 43 today. And as we head toward the weekend, again, it's trending mild for Christmas Day around 52 degrees.
Well, mild isn't bad for all those travelers out there.
Exactly. Passes should be clear for a first time in like 4 years, it seems like.
Good. All right. Thank you. Well, does the chaos of last minute holiday preparations have